So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab and open the Cloud Console incognito window. Now if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. And for other pre-assessment skill badges, you can check the description box. Now just open it. Make sure all existing windows are already closed. Just open it in incognito window and here wait for it to get signed in. Now, simply click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell. Here you have to click on continue and just authorize yourself. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared one GitHub repository. We'll be using that only, so just stay tuned. First of all, let me increase the font size and let's come over here and just select it. And now just paste over here and hit enter. Now wait for this command to get completed. First of all, we have to just export the region. I think it's region only. So just come over here and just find the region. Control F, region. You can see this is our region. Just copy it, paste over here and hit enter. Now zone, for zone, again copy it from here, hit enter. Now here, wait for this command to get executed, and once it's done, we'll be done with the lab. Let's check the score if we are able to get. So we need to complete this task. Okay, so just wait for it to get completed. It's working over here. Now here, first let's come to the lab instruction and check score. So once you get the score for first task, come over here, type Y and hit enter. Again hit enter, again hit enter. Now here it's executing all the steps. So finally here you can see all these things are completed. Now let's move to lab instruction and simply check the score. So you can see this is the way we have completed this particular lab, and do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, do let me know in the comments.